Hi, time now 10:32 p.m. Thursday 30th Jan. So open the MT5 terminal. Golden Wolf Exness MT5 real account traded with BTC, USD, Bitcoin. Right now equity and balance both are 1064.21. No running position. Today's history. Today's profit 10.73. If I calculate the trading period from 20th Jan, because of starting date was 20th Jan, deposited with 980.21. Total profit earning is 84. So deposit was 980.21 and total profit earning from this bought BTC USD is 84. If I calculate the profit percentage, where the calculator, I find the calculator where, yes, so 84 divided by 980.21, almost 8.56% of the capital profit earned from this robot working very well. Performance is very good. So once again, this is the Golden Wolf Exness MT5 real account traded with BTC USD. Today's profit 10.73. Okay.